Hey everyone, thank you for clicking on this video, and let me begin by apologizing for not uploading over the last month or so. I've been extremely busy, mostly with work, and I'm now getting back to it. This is a visit that my family and a stay that we did at Comfort Inn in Scarborough, Tobago, and I'm only now getting around to doing the voiceover. This was recorded in December. Yes, this was recorded in December. So we are heading from the parking lot at Comfort Inn and we are walking towards the main lobby. It's a very nice day. It was still in the rainy season, so it wasn't as hot. This building is very close to the roundabout in the Shore Park area, and it's visible from several places: the gas station, the traffic light, Orange Hill traffic light, etc. So now we are approaching the lobby. You can see my reflection there. This is the lobby area. Very nice, very chic. Nice modern layout and decor, as you would expect, and the Christmas lights give it away. As I said, this was Christmas time. And yeah, so when you get into the lobby and you head left, it takes you straight to the elevators. There were some persons in the elevator, so I did not record, but this is the second floor. Immediately you'll see long corridors, rooms, and the likes. These fixed window panes bring in a lot of light, and we are very happy for this. So this was our room. They were twin, I think they're called twin double beds, but I'm not sure. You let me know if this is correct. There's a microwave. As soon as you enter, you walk past the bathroom, which we'll go back to. There's a mini fridge, there's a microwave, and this is the bedroom. Nothing fancy, nothing out of the ordinary, just small, fairly small, minimal, and modern, right? Not too much going on. In this door, there's your ironing board, there's a safe for you to keep your valuables, and some other stuff. Okay, so now we'll make our way back to the bathroom. I was pretty impressed with the bathroom, I must say. So strange thing, the bathroom door doesn't close. Part of it, about 2/3 of it, is blocked off with glass. And there I am in the mirror, still wearing my sunglasses for some reason. Part of the bathroom is blocked off with glass, and then the rest of it is just open. So there's no door, you cannot fully close it. And the knobs for the bathroom are on the opposite end from the shower. So they are at the back of the bathroom. The water in here, the hot water, gets really hot really quickly. Alright, so you can see me testing the shower there. The water gets really hot really quickly. And when I say really hot, I mean it can scorch you. So please be mindful of this. Here we are on the rooftop patio, one of my favorite spaces. They can have events here, a dinner, social gathering, whatever you want to have outdoor. It's wonderful. At nighttime, it's very, very scenic. You see all the lights, You see the temporary market, which is now a food center. You see the Shore Park Cultural Complex over there. I love it in this space. It's outdoor, but it's a rooftop patio. It is what it is. Nice outdoor furniture, but very spacious. Very spacious. It can accommodate, I would say, easily 50 people, depending on how you want to space it. And yeah, down to the bottom there, you can see the garden. They have a little garden area going on. It's not a rock garden, but there are lots of stones as well. There are benches. It's very cool and shaded. So this is the pool, and there were some persons bathing. I didn't want to film them because I think that would be kind of creepy. So I turned away from them, the camera, that is. You can see Scarborough, Lower Scarborough, a cruise ship in the harbor, and so on. The pool is very small. The pool is very, very small. It's nice to hang out by, to chill. You could line by the pool, but can't do much in it. Right, here we have the gym. Again, fairly small gym, but I was able to do, I think, half an hour on the treadmill. You have your dumbbells, you have your exercise ball. Do they call it a medicine ball? I'm not sure. But it's small, but I think there's everything that you'll need for a 2 to 3 day stay that you can just get some action in. Again, there I am in the mirror. So the entire back wall is plastered with a mirror, but it's behind you, which is weird, but that's what it is. So now we are back out of the hotel and we are heading to the garden area that I showed you earlier. It's just across the driveway. There's something written on the ground. I think it says welcome or something like that. But it's a nice area. I like what they did with the space. I like the greenery, the plants. There are trees, right? So they kept some of the trees and they planted, and they used natural material. So there's no major concrete over here. You have your benches. You have your benches, which is great. And yeah. It's a nice space to just come and relax and chill. And you can view the building. You have a really nice view of the building from over here, but you can do so from the comfort of the outdoors and the fresh air and everything. Although we are in Scarborough, it doesn't feel like it so much.